When the Apostle Peter asked Jesus about forgiveness, he did not answer with ideas. Instead, he answered him with a story. Jesus teaches us not just to have a perfect understanding of God's forgiveness, but to experience it. Because to know God is to experience Him. For us to say that the Lord is kind, we must have had experienced His kindness. For us to say that He is merciful, we must have been forgiven. For us to say that He has compassion means we must have had experienced His goodness. So, my dear brothers and sisters, go forth, forgive, and experience God's forgiveness so that we could comprehend and understand God's forgiveness.